Alright, so before we take the boat out today for its first like maiden voyage type thing, we're gonna go ahead and do a quick water pump kit. Comes with the impeller, all the gaskets, bolts, everything. So it's just 14 millimeter, I believe. So go ahead and pop those off quick. Take the lower unit off. Pull the housing and everything off. Put a new O-ring, new bottom gasket. Slip this back over and reinstall everything else. Pretty simple. All right, so we got a new gasket on the bottom, a new O-ring for the seal fitting that's underneath this. Got one bottom, metal, top, new impeller and new cup, and then put the cup on and then put the plastic housing on. 4 bolts, has new bolts, slap that on. Put some grease on the splines, shove it back in there, we're done, and we'll get out on the water. Completely buttoned up. I thought about taking this to clean it, but whatever, it's gonna be fine. We're gonna put up in the shaft, never see it again, real tight. And put it on the tripod, you can watch it put it back up. Couldn't wait 1 minute since I got home. New spark plugs, new fuel pump. Let's go see if she starts. Had to turn the idle screw down a lot, it was set pretty high. All right, here we go. Just dropped her in, gonna take her on the water. See how she does. I was in such a rush, I didn't even bring a dock line. Luckily I had a bungee on the boat. All right, I'll get back to you in a second. All right, well, she's floating good, running pretty good. So she is cruising beautifully. She tops out about 38. And if you start trimming her harder, the water pressure goes down, so you can't really go far. Trimming hard. But yeah, she also leans a little bit that way. I don't know if there's like the heavy batteries over there or what, but I gotta figure out the weight, because I can stand over to the right more and it's more balanced. But other than that, she's a ripper, bro. I mean, she literally fires right up. So I don't like doing this usually, but we'll do it. Bring it to a stop. Neutral. We're pretty far from everything. That's the boat ramp over there. Why don't we go ahead and kill her real quick? Oh, we gotta turn the bilge pumps off. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe that sponson's full of water or something. Who knows what it is, but that side's definitely... There is the starting battery down here, but there's a big battery right there too. Not sure. Let's see if she fires right back up though. Neutral. So quick. I'm probably gonna turn the idle up because they say around like 1,000 to 1,100 is what I saw mostly, which I thought that'd be kind of high. I thought I shot for that, but it does seem kind of low when you put it in gear. Yeah, it drops down to like 500 when you put it into gear. So I'm gonna up the idle real quick and then rip around for a little bit longer, take it home. All that's left is gotta clean it up. I want to run through this tank of gas at least, just to go through the whole thing and make sure it's all good. Maybe fish it a few times. I don't know, we'll see. But she rips. I went out here and I don't even know if this trolling motor works. That's how much I trust in my engine rebuilding skills. But this boat's super stable too. Like my other boat is a center console also, but it's a deep V, and like you step on each side, it's pretty tilted. It's pretty tilty. This one is pretty flat. I mean, it's a straight flat bottom, but I'm saying when I go on either side of it, it doesn't even tip that much, and it levels out. All right, so that's going to conclude today's main voyage on this boat. The 18-foot Gator Tough with the 90 horsepower 2-stroke Yamaha. She ran great. And yeah, like I said, I'll probably fish her for a couple times, put it up on Marketplace, and I still got a new front seat, clean up a bit, and then list it and get it out of here. Maybe get another one, not sure. Replace those rusty cup holders. I gotta replace that front seat like I just said. Oh yeah, surprisingly great today. This is my other one, 20-foot Seacraft Yamaha 200. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bit of a short one, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Not sure what that'll be. Peace out.